Hi everyone, it's Mr. Shoefriend. I'm just making a quick screencast to show how we um, mark as done an assignment on Google Classroom. This can be a little bit confusing just because I know mark as done doesn't always translate well for students if they're doing it in different languages. So mark as done, here we see in Portuguese, um, in Spanish, okay, in Creole, and let's see quickly in French. I'll also do Amharic and Arabic. And let's see, I know I'm forgetting something in Urdu. And last we will do in Bengali. Okay, so what you do, and I always tell my students to go to classwork, and here look at we've got number one, and it tells me it was assigned at 10 o'clock. I see a little preview of the assignment. This looks like it's going to be a fun assignment. So I click View Assignment. This takes me into the most complete view. And number one says, look at this photo. I see the teacher's name, the time, and then this is the image. And all it tells me to do, look at this photo. I click on it. I read it. Oh, what a beautiful photo of Mr. Shoefriend. I miss him so much. And you can simply return to the page. And then over here on the right where it says your work, um, we can add or create a document. But in this one, all we need to do is simply mark as done. Okay, and that's where you would, it says mark as done. You didn't attach work for number one. Look at this photo. So your teacher will just see it's done. That's all I want. So just click mark as done. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about how to do this, please ask me, and I hope to talk to you all soon. Have a great day.